Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is question number 8 and I'm going to solve it. This is about factorization. The question is 1 minus x square minus 2xy minus y square. So in this question we will first of all see that this is x square minus 2xy and minus y square. So we have to make it a complete square. So 1 is the square of 1, we can write 1 is a square and we can take common from the three terms. So we are left with the x square plus 2xy plus y square. So now we have this is 1 square and minus, so x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is basically the square of x plus y whole square. Now these are the two squares and there is a negative sign. We have two squares now and there is a negative sign between them, and we have learned the formula of a square minus b square. According to that formula, we will just add the two values and what is written inside the bracket, inside the square, we just add them and we will subtract. So 1 minus, and when we are going to minus it, we just change the sign of x plus y, we write x minus y. So when, be careful, the students did mistake. So while subtracting this is 1 minus, we just change the sign of x plus y. This is x minus y now. Positive will be changed into negative. So this is the common mistake that student did that mistake. So this is the final answer of this factorization. So thank you very much. See you in the next question. Until then, you must subscribe the channel Concept Coaching. Thank you very much. See you in the next question. Allah Hafiz.